Every morning po siya, ma'am, good for 7 po siya lahat. 6:30 to 10:30 lang po siya. Check out po natin ng Friday po, 12 noon po lahat. Pa-assist ko na lang po kayo yung Ocean user kay Joel na lang po. Then yung sa Deluxe Room, kina Sir Ray.
This is Juan Marko once again for another hotel review. I'm here in San Juan, La Union. I'm with Rejoice. She is the front office supervisor. Thank you very much for having me here for an interview. And for your time as well.
San Juan Surf Resort po here, located here in Condo, San Juan lang yun.
We went here because of TripAdvisor. And congratulations, you're #1 in San Juan, the whole San Juan.
Thank you.
Alright, so congratulations for that. And
Thank you.
okay, let's talk about why you're #1. Let's start with history.
San Juan Surf Resort started March 20, 1992. And from that day, it was just a nipa hut. Then as time goes by, it built more buildings to offer room accommodation.
Is it Filipino-owned?
It's a Australian-owned resort. One of the owner and general managers is a Filipino-Australian, which is Sir Luke, one of the famous surfer.
Let's talk about the room categories. How many categories you have here?
We have total of 45 rooms. We have 3 types of rooms in the resort. We have the premium room, the deluxe room, and the ocean view rooms. Under deluxe room, we have 8 rooms. We offered, of course, ironing services, laundry services, and we also recommend massage services from the outside. The cheapest is, I think, the Swedish or the combination massage, which is cost 590 per hour.
That is full massage, right?
Yes, yes.
That is the cheapest.
Yes. Our operating hours is, at the front desk, we operate 24 hours.
Okay.
Yes. And then our services, it operates only until 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. For the guest requests. Safety, of course, we are 24 hours CCTV operation.
Oh, CCTV.
Yes.
I'm with Cindy, the housekeeping supervisor.
Yung bed for 2 po natin is may single beds, 2 single beds and 1 double size bed.
Then for the premium rooms, we have 26.
Hello.
Welcome to my room.
We have 6 ocean view rooms plus the 2 rooms that is not located on the beach view. So we have total of 8.
8. Alright, we have just finished viewing the premium rooms. I'm with Edward, the housekeeper. I will be showing you guys one of the condo room that is for 4-person capacity. Of course, with an extra bed if they wish. Okay, from the reception, dito tayo dadaan just to go to the next building for the what they call condo rooms.
Under premium room, we have also the condo type room, which is located along the highway upon entrance of the resort. have 6 rooms at the condos. So we have 4 rooms for 4 and 2 rooms for 2. It's a suite type room. It has a mini living area and a kitchen.
What is the operating hours for your restaurant?
Restaurant, it's 6:30 to 11 p.m.
So this is the in-house guest menu for breakfast, inclusive when you have your rooms here.
And the surfing, one of the famous activities here in San Juan, surfing.
So in-house guests can have their own trainer
Yes, they can hire a trainer, 500 per head,
per hour.
500 per hour.
We're planning to have a unlimited if you do offer that.
It's negotiable. Depends to the surfing instructor you are going to work with. And of course, our surfing instructors are certified first aiders.
Of course, there's no surfing at night, right?
Yes, of
So
course.
until
6 a.m. to 6 p.m. course, if you'd like to stay here, you are most welcome. Feel free to visit us. You may call us or you may email us directly for more inquiries. All of our contacts are below the description and you may check it out. Thank you.
Goodbye sa Juan! La Union!